You were one of the early adopters of the internet and social media and Facebook. And did you at that point think that social media and the internet would become an important tool for governing and citizen engagement and foreign policy?
जब मैंने सोशल मीडिया को अपनाया,
When I took to social media, even I actually didn't know that I would become a chief minister at some point. I would become a prime minister at some point.
तो मैंने ये तो सोचा नहीं था.
So I never ever did think that social media would actually be useful for governance.
तो एक टेक्नोलॉजी
When
क्यूरियोसिटी रहती.
I took up and I got onto social media, it was basically because I was curious about technology. And I saw that I'd been trying to understand the world through books, but I think it's a part of human nature that instead of going on to textbooks, if you have a guide, it's far easier.
और गाइड से भी अगर कोई
And in fact, if instead of a guide, if somebody can give you pretty sure suggestions of what to do, it's even better.
सोशल मीडिया ने ये काम किया.
And for me, that's what social media actually did.
कम समय में दो चार शब्दों से
Within a very short span of time, within a few words, I used to get what I wanted to know. And the other advantage that I had is that I'm not very educated. I wasn't fortunate enough to be able to get a lot of knowledge, but I was able to make up for that through social media. And that is how my world used to move.
मेरी थॉट प्रोसेस
And it really brought about a big change in my way of thinking.
आसपास की दुनिया से ही सोचता था. एक पूरे विश्व के दायरे तक
I used to
छूने का मुझे अवसर.
think about things which were initially close to me, and I kept now expanding my horizons, kept broadening them, and as I kept doing that,
मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा.
the world too started accepting me for what I am.
इंसान के लिए सबसे
And I think the most important thing for any individual
जैसे
is that
जब दुनिया आपको स्वीकार करती है,
you are accepted for what you are. If the world accepts you, I think that is something which really makes you feel happy and satisfied.
लोग कहते हैं यहाँ
Because otherwise, people say you're good, but if you were that, you would be better. But you're fine. But if you're on social media, it would be a little better.
आप जैसे हैं वैसे दुनिया स्वीकार करती
But when the world accepts you for what you are, I think that is something really wonderful. And I think that also helps you to move ahead, to progress.
है. वो इस दायरे को बढ़ाने वाला नहीं.
So for me, that was something that really shaped my experience of social media. And when I came into government, all these doors opened for me.
सरकार का एक प्रॉब्लम होता है.
I saw that one of the problems that governments have
जनता के बीच
is that there is a big gap between the government and the people.
और जब पता चलता है तब
And sometimes 5 years go by, then you have the next elections, and then you come to know that we were just not connected with the people.
सोशल मीडिया के कारण डेली
So with social media, you have daily bonding.
बात कर रहा हूँ अभी.
So I'm talking to you, you have daily voting. So, right now, as we speak, people are voting that what is Modi saying, is that good or bad?
आज सोशल मीडिया की ताकत है
So the strength of social media today
वो गलत
is that it can tell governments where they're going wrong. It can stop them from moving in the wrong direction. It can make them aware and worried about going in the wrong direction, and gives them an opportunity to do a course correction. You used to have elections after every 5 years, but now we have it after every 5 minutes. So I think this is a huge strength of democracy.
सभी राजनेताओं से दुनिया के
And I think I would say to leaders all over the world that you're not going to gain by running away from social media. You must join it, try and join it.
अच्छी सरकार तब चलती है
You will be able to have a good government
चैनल
if you have many channels of information.
और रियल टाइम इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है
And you need real time information.